it's time to do some more vlogging. I've just painted this. It's a light gray color. Was white. I'm gonna install it in my studio after it dries. Man, what a fine day after Christmas. Look at this. Just beautiful.
Hey, let's do a time lapse.
Now one is for woodpeckers and the other one's for something else.
That's woodpecker and that's for little finches. So we'll see if we can get a woodpecker.
All right, we got a bell here full of little bitty small seeds for little birds. And we got, this is for woodpeckers and that's for the little birds, finches and whatnot. And we got just regular sunflower seeds in here. And this is for all variety of birds.
You got it all.
Great song.